Mazda showroom for the unveiling of the 3 newest and latest cars of Mazda.
Mazda Cebu has officially launched 2020 Mazda 3 on Friday, August 16.
We are unveiling today two types of Mazda 3.
The Mazda 3 is available in 2 models, a sedan and a hatchback.
What makes it different from the previous generations is more on the safety features. It's a totally new design of the Mazda 3 hatchback, both hatchback and sedan. We have the pre-collision system, which means that if you meet an accident, if you're about to meet an accident, it detects automatically and stops the car. Also, on the side, it also has the safety features, both 360 degrees, and also we also have a 360 camera.
These new members of the SkyActiv family are subcompact crossovers, which are fuel efficient, agile, and flexible enough to take on even the roughest road.
It's basically very advanced in terms of design and technology. We will definitely be very much competitive in terms of design. Priced, we can also be very competitive if you compare the specs to the car and the design. Will be definitely be competitive in the market. It's an exciting car to drive and to look out for.
For the Mazda 3, Mazda is heading premium, so we're really just highlighting the premium features of the Mazda 3.
Valued at 1.3 million pesos to 1.5 million pesos, 2020 Mazda 3 will surely live up to its commitment to provide fuel efficiency and customer satisfaction.
I bought Mazda 2 because I like the handling. Well, number one is I'm a big guy, but I don't find it difficult to get inside the car because you can adjust the seats and all those. And I heard at first, before I bought it, I heard that it's fuel efficient, which is true when I got it, and that's what I like about Mazda 2. And of course the handling. It feels like it may not be a sports car, but it feels like it if you're inside.
If you want excitement, if you want fun, if you want something different, then get a Mazda 3. Fuel economy, reliability, Mazda 3.
If you're into like maybe driving excitement, yes it is. Some people, they say it lacks horsepower and everything, but actually at the end of the day it's the drive.
In the unveiling of their latest cars, Mazda also showcased their 30th year commemorative car, the MX-5 RF in racing orange. The model is a limited edition with only 3,000 cars manufactured all over the world, and 3 are sold here in Cebu. Later this year, Mazda Cebu will also launch the Mazda 3 SUV model.
We'd like to invite our friends out there to visit our showroom for viewing and test drives. So we're open every day, Monday to Sunday, 8:30 till 5:30.
For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.